Class 2 Chapter 11, The Electronic Commerce, E-Commerce. E-Commerce Application for Hospitality and Tourism Organization. Lodging/accommodation. Most B2C e-commerce in the accommodation sector focuses on product and/or service awareness as well as the placement of reservations. Hotel websites are listed with major search engines on the World Wide Web to enhance the chances of discovery by consumers who are seeking accommodation facilities at desired destinations. Hotel websites are designed with plenty of photographics that allow visitors to inspect the facility, grounds, guest rooms etc. visually. Many hotel websites provide multimedia presentations designed to give virtual tours of the facility using streaming videos and 360-degree viewing platforms of lobby areas, guest rooms, meeting facilities and other full-service amenities. Visitors to the sites may click on pricing information as well as package deals and other special booking incentives. Many larger hotel chains provide a link to a reservations system portal, permitting clients to book reservations online. In this case, the hotel will provide a secure billing feature for potential guests to secure reservation with a major credit card. Others will take room reservations via email or provide a phone number to connect to the central reservations office. In many cases, search engines take web surfers to the sites of lodging/accommodation brokers such as Hotels.com and Orbitz. These companies are known as intermediaries. These are organizations that purchase blocks of hotel rooms for resale to travelers, often at discounted rates. Travelers who use these services are actually booking guest rooms through third-party entities that perform services similar to those formerly provided by travel agents. Hotels contract these intermediaries to fill guest rooms during non-peak occupancy periods. E-commerce application for hospitality and tourism organization. Travel and food service. Restaurant and travel companies employ B2C e-commerce strategies that are similar to those used by the accommodations/lodging sectors. In the case of restaurants, the purpose of the website is to use graphics and multimedia to entice customers to reserve a table either online or by phone. The same applies to cruise vacation and ground tours where they use graphics and multimedia to entice customers to reserve a tour or ticket either online or by phone. Travel companies, in contrast, focus on ticket pricing and availability through their websites. Airline websites, for instance, have tables and limited graphics for visitors to view. The visitor enters destination information through windows that launch tables that display available flights and pricing information. A link to the central reservations system is available for those who decide to book a specific flight. The same is also applicable in the lodging industry. Many individuals book their flights through intermediaries such as cheaptickets.com and priceline.com. Meetings and events. E-commerce strategies for meetings and events sector closely mirror those for the lodging sector, with one exception. This sector is focused solely on group booking, which means that the client is the host of a group. The website for a meetings and events facility is designed to entice a host to book the facility for a group of individuals. Recreation and entertainment. Recreation and entertainment sector e-commerce strategies are among the narrowest in scope among hospitality niches. Most of these sites exist to provide product discovery, awareness and evaluation. They do not for the most part seek a booking transaction from website visitors. In the case of recreation and social clubs, some are private, which means that individuals must purchase memberships to use the facility. These transactions still occur mostly on a face-to-face basis. Public clubs encourage non-member visitation, however, most clubs arrange tea and court times by phone. Yacht clubs are in the business of renting dockage to boaters, and these arrangements are usually made by phone, by mail, or in person. Show venues commonly assign ticket purchases to centralized global systems such as Ticketron, whereas nightclubs and theme parks are mostly in the business of selling tickets through the door. E-commerce application for hospitality and tourism organization. Retail outlets. Many sectors in the hospitality industry provide retail outlets such as gift shops that sell specialized products, including packaged food items and logo merchandise to the public. These items may be marketed, ordered, and distributed to customers through e-commerce interfaces within hospitality organizations. Although the sale of such items is often lucrative, the retail aspect is ancillary to the core products and services provided by hospitality companies. Summary. This lesson has provided a snapshot of the e-commerce systems that are used in the hospitality and tourism industry. We have learned that hospitality customer service consists of transactions and interactions. The core transactions of our business involve intimate face-to-face interactions which have certain limitations in regard to the use of e-commerce in the hospitality and tourism industry as compared with other enterprises such as the retail sector. However, certain electronic applications are appropriate for the convenience of guests or clients. Although the main telecommunications link for e-commerce is the Internet, private networks such as extranets and intranets are also part of the e-commerce landscape. The major functions of B2C, B2B, and B2E business include management information systems and the marketing, accounting, human resources and operations departments. We discussed in this lesson examples of these functions as they are applied to the various hospitality and tourism business sectors. Practice test. 1. What are your thoughts on e-commerce applications to the hospitality and tourism industry? Do you see areas where new applications may be developed, or do you think that the current applications are sufficient? 2. What are the advantages and disadvantages of implementing intranets for hospitality workers to use? Do you think intranets can enhance productivity? Why or why not?